Introducing the unsung heroes of the culinary world, Kitchen Shears. Often overlooked amidst the array of kitchen gadgets, these versatile tools are indispensable for any cooking enthusiast or professional chef. From snipping herbs with precision to tackling tough poultry bones, kitchen shears excel in a multitude of tasks, saving time and effort in the kitchen. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 kitchen shears that have earned their place as must-have companions for every culinary endeavor. Number 5. OMDAR Food Grade Kitchen Scissors 3-Pack Lifetime Replacement Warranty Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Cooking Shears for cutting meat, food, fish, poultry. Multi-purpose sharp scissors for dishwasher safe. About this item: versatile. Kitchen scissors are a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks in the kitchen. They can be used to cut through food items such as meat, poultry, vegetables, and herbs, as well as to open packaging, trim dough, and cut through twine or string. Stainless steel blades prevent rust and corrosio. This ensures that they can withstand frequent use in the kitchen and will last for years to come. Easy to clean. Kitchen scissors are easy to clean and maintain. They can be washed by hand with soap and water, or placed in the dishwasher for a thorough cleaning. Our models even come with a protective cover to keep the blades safe and clean when not in use. Special features: OMDAR kitchen scissors come with additional features, such as built-in nutcrackers, bottle openers, or fish scalers. These special features can make the kitchen scissors even more versatile and useful in a variety of different situations. Tip: after cleaning the kitchen scissors, please dry the water stains to keep the scissors in a dry state, so that the scissors can get a longer service life. Number 4. Kitchen Shears by Gidli. Lifetime replacement warranty includes seafood scissors as a bonus. Heavy-duty utility stainless steel all-purpose ultra-sharp scissors for food. About this item: elevate your kitchen essentials. Every household deserves a reliable set of best cooking kitchen scissors, and Gidli delivers the perfect combo: a pair of sharp all-purpose shears and dedicated seafood scissors. Revolutionize your meal preparation with these indispensable tools, making your kitchen tasks faster and more efficient. Upgrade your culinary game with the Gidli Utility Scissors Set, an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. Unrivaled sharpness in every cut. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, our kitchen scissors are a testament to durability. Slice through chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, fruits, herb, and poultry effortlessly. These all-purpose utility shears boast sharp blades that ensure precision in every task. As a versatile kitchen tool, they go beyond culinary use, perfect for all your salad chopping and vegetable cutting needs. As seen on TV, they make an ideal scissors gift for mom and dad. Effortless seafood enjoyment. Love seafood but hate dealing with shells? Our seafood scissors transform the task into a breeze. Say goodbye to messy hands and cumbersome knives. The seafood peeler simplifies the process. Spend more time savoring fresh shrimps, crab, and prawns and less time on cleanup. Don't resist the urge to enjoy fish. Indulge in shrimps and prawns hassle-free, user-friendly, and easy maintenance. Designed with ergonomic handles, our right and left-handed kitchen shears and seafood scissors provide a comfortable and secure grip for all your cutting needs. After use, toss them in the dishwasher or hand wash effortlessly. Lifetime guarantee for peace of mind. Invest in the professional kitchen shears and seafood scissors set with confidence. Experience their practicality, durability, and utility in your kitchen. You'll wonder how you lived without them. Should you, for any reason, find yourself unsatisfied we offer a money-back guarantee. With Gidli's lifetime satisfaction guarantee, this purchase is 100% risk-free. Don't hesitate, place your order now and elevate your kitchen experience. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Multi-Purpose Kitchen and Herb Scissors. About this item, stainless steel design slices through cardboard, twine, meat, vegetables and more. Micro-serrated blades grip items securely and prevent slipping. Herb stripper effectively removes fresh herbs from tough stems. Cushioning pads on grip absorb pressure while cutting. Blades separate for thorough and easy cleaning. Hand wash only. Number 2. Kitchen Shears. IBM Kitchen Scissors All-Purpose Heavy-Duty Meat Scissors Poultry Shears. Dishwasher Safe Food Cooking Scissors Stainless Steel Utility Scissors. 2-pack, black. About this item, all-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty 8.5-inch super sharp kitchen shears. Valued 2-pack in one set. Soft comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensils set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, barbecue, food packing bags and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle. The ergonomically designed handle is shaped for comfort and features a soft grip coating for stability. Cushioning pads on grip absorb pressure while cutting. Versatile colorful kitchen scissors, pure black. Different color handles can be used in different places. 2 special scissors are suitable for most items that need to be cut. Worth looking forward to multiple uses around the home. It can also be used as a household scissors for all kinds of fruit, noodles and pizza. Dishwasher safe. Hand wash is recommended, but these kitchen scissors shears are dishwasher safe. Come with 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited warranty. No-One KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears with protective sheath for everyday use. Dishwasher safe stainless steel scissors with comfort grip. 8.72-inch black. About this item, household essential. Use these all-purpose shears for a variety of tasks throughout the home, from slicing poultry and pizza to clipping coupons. Enhanced blades. The micro-serrations on the blade edges of these kitchen scissors provide a superior cutting experience on everything from tough cuts of meat to strong wires and twine. Soft grip. The handles provide comfort and control, making these shears a go-to kitchen gadget. Durable and strong. The dishwasher safe, heavy-duty stainless steel makes these shears a valuable kitchen utensil that will stand up to everyday use. Blade guard. The included guard protects the blades on these kitchen scissors when they are stored.